the true wireless buds. True wireless buds. Does anybody know who this girl is? With the power bank. The power bank is actually not very good. It's gimmick. A gimmick is something that persuades you to buy something, but it's not actually good. More like clickbait. So here's how they look like. It has touch control, the basic stuff. The battery they go up to like 4 hours, I guess, standard stuff. The sound is actually good, and they are comfortable to wear, and all that. And the digital display, as you can see, don't know if you can see it. Let me turn it on. Here's the power bank slot, USB A, and it also uses the USB V8 or normal Android or whatever, or USB A too. Yes, that's USB A. I have a very bad camera, and I don't apologize for that. So for the sound, I said the sound quality is good. Plus the let me show you how it is. It just looks the way exactly as shown here, but it's green. I don't want to take them off. So I guess they're not bad for the price. They're not bad. It has good sound quality, slight bass, and all that. And 4 hours. 4 hours is actually not bad. It's basic. It's the bare minimum. So that's all I could say about this. Yeah. Plus I can't forget to emphasize that the power bank is just a gimmick. It's just a gimmick. So see you next time.